Good afternoon, everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Arthur Ernest, and that's my channel, Ernest Arthur. I'm here to teach, or we are all here to learn how to develop some management systems or management softwares. And I've already developed one complete school management system, which registers the students. It's print out their ID cards, their terminal reports, a lot, their dues, their a lot, and we are all going to have a look at how that software looks like, and then we will start from scratch and then develop it till the end. So it seems like we're going to have a long journey. Okay, not waste my time. Let us look at the things that we are going to we are going to learn. Okay, so things we are going to learn. First, we are going to develop a complete school management system, and then the other sub things we are going to learn. We will download and install NetBeans and JDK. The JDK simply means Java Development Kit. Okay, so if you are going to develop, then the one thing that you have to know that there should be a compiler, and this compiler in our case is the NetBeans. Okay, so don't forget the compiler, the NetBeans. So we are going to use NetBeans compiler for our project, and then we also need a server. So server. The server to store our data, and then that's why we're going to use the WAMP server. So these are the things that we are going to need. Okay, so after we are done downloading the NetBeans and then the our server, which is the WAMP server, and then we can now start with the design stage, and then we move straight to the coding and testing. Doesn't matter either you are new to coding or you are old to coding, or you started and you quit because you thought it was too difficult. My brother, even though it's difficult, but we can also do it. Since someone has done it, we can also do it. Okay, so first and foremost, I will show you the complete version of the software that we all will develop together. Okay, I will lead, we all will develop. If there's anything that you don't understand, you can in the comment section just write over there, or you can also send me a private email at my private email address at 39@gmail.com. Okay, that's my email. You can give me or write anything at the comment section, and I will respond to you no matter what. Okay, so let's look at what we are going to develop. Okay, now on my server, don't worry about this. You will get to know. Don't worry about it. Okay, so my server is running. My server is on. I have to first on my server because that's my server. I can't launch my application. Okay, so my server seems to be ready. Now this is the application. Okay, I developed it for one school. I'll just double click it, and it's going to open. Okay, we are waiting for you. Okay, so nicely that's open. This is the interface of the software. Okay, every software is having its own interface. Okay, so it's having the login, the student sign up, the reports section, the staff sign up, the records, assessments, and we have more other options in the menu bar, the file. Okay, like the login is having its own shortcuts, add stuff. You can see that because we've not logged into the system, some of the buttons are disabled. Okay, you can use it without you logging into it. Okay, so that's a secure system. We are going to learn everything. Don't worry, everything. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, so let's log in. I'll log in as the headmaster because the headmaster will have access to everything. A teacher will not have access to everything. Tito, I'm the headmaster. Okay, so now I've logged into the system, and you can see that every button is active now. Every single button is active now. Okay, including the ones at the file menu. Okay, so from here you can add stuff, you can add a student, you can view the records, you can generate an ID card for a student or a teacher, you can go back to the menu of which we are, you can go to the PTA dues to take dues, the terminal report is already there, the end of term info, that's during vacation, the end of term information for students. We will look at everything, the back, the logouts. Then you can exit the system. Okay, you can exit the system. You don't want to exit the system, so you just say no. Okay. So now, what do we want to do? Let's first look at one button, which is the students sign up button. So it is having its own shortcut. You can click on over here, you get the students, or you can go back and then click on over here and still get it. Or you can still go back and use the shortcut, which is Control D. Okay, so back, Control D, and you'll still get it. Okay, so that's why some funny names: Facebook, YouTube. I don't know. Guardian is me, Tito. The phone number is 5530 70 799. You can call me for listed days. Okay, date of birth 080490. Sorry, 1996. Okay, and current class. Okay, let's say I'm at JHS2. Wow, JHS2. Okay, I come from here. I come from here. I'm a male, no female, disability none. Then you can upload a picture. Okay, so I'm going to upload a picture. Okay, so it's nice, isn't it? It's nice. You'll get to know how to do it soon. You'll need to take your time. Where's my pictures? Can I find my pictures? Okay, student images is here. Okay, so I'll just choose an image at all. Okay, that's nice. Can click here to remove. I don't want to remove. Can click to remove. I don't want to remove. Well, I don't want us to remove. Okay, I just remove it. I've just removed. I can just bring it back again. Sorry. Okay, so student images, just student images. I'll just choose that, and then rest in business. Okay, because I'll just click on sign up, and then automatically the ID from the students have been generated. Order being OIBS, order being Islamic Basic School, JHS2. Then this is the ID. So you can see it's in JHS2. If you register someone in class 1, we're going to get class 1. Okay. And boom, the ID card will just show up. You can choose to save it, you can choose to print it, you can choose to save and print. It depends on your. Okay, so as soon as you hit the button, you're printing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's try to print. Maybe some. Let's try to print. Okay, let's save and print. Now, if a printer is connected now, it has to be shown here Now there's no printer connected to my machine, so I'll just save it as a PDF, and boom, we are printing as a PDF. Next to copy. Okay, that's nice. And you'll get to know how to do all these things. So if there is some local school around your place, you can go and give them a proposal that you want to develop a system for them. And I tell you, this will cost them a lot. To really cost them a lot. To cost them a lot. If you're an organization that you need it, you need a school, you need it, any other organization, hotel, you need a system like this, you can contact me. My contact is 055 30 70 799. That's my contacts. Okay, so let me save it. Just save it to my desktop. Okay, so to open for us soon, then you'll see it in the form of PDF. But if you are connected to a printer, you will just print it straight away, without any hinges. Okay, so that is it. That's our printout. Okay, so now they'll just cut it and laminate it for the students. That's the idea. Isn't it nice? Wow, it's nice. Okay, so let's go back and look at more other features. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so the same way that we sign up, students can still sign up staff, and also you'll get the ID like that. Time's not on our side, we'll do that some other time. Okay, then you can also get the ID card if either a student or a staff. Okay, so the only thing that you need is to enter the ID over here, and then boom, you'll get the okay, so let's try this. Let's get the let's go back, let's go to records. Now we can get, see, records to, we will come back, don't worry. Let's just take the ID of Facebook and YouTube. This ID. Okay, so I'm just copying it, Control C. I'll just go back, then I'll go back to my ID, and then now student ID, I'll just paste it, and now I can get the student ID, and boom, it is there. So nice, the same way we did. I'm not going to pen this one because we've printed one already. Okay, so let's get the terminal reports. Let's see how the terminal report also works. Let's see. Okay, so if in case we've done everything successfully, everything's supposed to happen for us successfully, we've not taken in any record, any SB record, any examination record, so we don't have any record. Okay, we don't have any record. We've not said anything, so everything is like default. Okay, so just the Facebook, the YouTube, the class that the person is. Okay, that matter. Can also print the report out. Nice, isn't it nice? Yeah, it's nice. Okay, you can also view the assessments. We'll go back, we will still work on that. Don't worry at all. Okay, so in our next video, we will add a staff, and then probably get the staff ID, and then to generate the ID card for this staff. Okay, so basically this is what we are going to develop. So you just have a look. You can add a staff, you can add students, of which you've already practiced. You can view the records. You have the staff, the total staff, which is 3, total students, which is 5. I've deleted a lot. Okay, just 5. Okay, which is 5. Okay, just 5. But I can also still get the total number of males. Okay, all boys is just 5. So it means they are all boys. So we don't have any girl. We don't have any girl. It's boring. Have any girl in our school. Okay, all class 1, we have no class 1. Okay, so let's say if you have JHS2, oh, come on, I don't like that. Okay, so we have JHS2. Okay, so we have two JHS2, and they are all boys. They are all boys. We don't have any girl in the school, so everybody is a boy. That's interesting. No girl, no girl, no girl. That's why JHS3, so JHS3 to they are two. They are all boys. They are all boys. Okay, JHS1. Okay, so we have just one, and in total they are 5. Okay, so you can also update student information, just put in the student's ID, and then everything will come. You can change the picture, you can change a little, you can just after that you hit update and you are done. Okay, you can also remove stuff with just the ID. We'll get deep into this because we're going to develop it. We can enter the ID, the log history, don't worry about this. Okay. We will learn everything. Can update staff info, the PTA dues, the dues that they've paid. They've not paid any amounts. Haha. Okay, so that's just the ID card section, of which you've already seen how it works. Okay, then let's go our menu, our terminal report, of which we've seen. Our end of term info. Okay, over here to take the vacation date, the reopening date, the term. Are we in first term, second term, third term? We don't have any fourth term. The class that the person is. Okay, because every class is having its own number of flow. Okay, so if class 1, just let class 1. How many are they? They are 50. Just enter 50. Okay. Okay, so just enter 50. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so basically this software can be closed. Okay, because we want to take the log history. Okay, so you can log out, then everything will go back to how it used to be, and then you should log in again. Everything will just go back to how it used to be. Okay, so we exit the system now. Now we want to exit. Yes, we want to exit. Okay, so the next time that we meet, maybe we will look a bit into the software, then we get to the things that are used to develop this software. Okay, the NetBeans, the JDK, how to download them, how to install them. It's not easy. Yo, come on, it's not difficult, it's easy. It's not difficult. Okay, so next time we meet. Thank you.